back to my channel, Ruby Moon. That's me. If you guys are new, I'm Ruby. And make sure to subscribe, that notification bell, and that thumbs up button in 3, 2, 1. If you did, give yourself a pat on the back. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing some things that I got from Time Zone when I went with Alex. Let's start unboxing. So, I've already opened it, but my pineapple squishy popped the other night, so I got this little Nido with a net around it. Really squishy and cool, so that's one fidget. I didn't get lots of fidgets, I only got 2. Let me show you the other fidgets I got. Poppet! It's a butterfly. It's got blue and purple, and it glows in the dark. I'm gonna, let's unbox it. Okay, so, just put it like that. Wait, what does it say? Pop it, flip it, and start again. Oh my god, look at that, guys. Okay, I'm gonna throw this rubbish. Okay, let's see if it pops well. Okay, let's see. Okay, hold on. This is really good, guys. Doesn't make a sound though, so you could probably take it to school and like if you wanted to play with it in class, it wouldn't make a sound. Let's see if this side makes any sound. Yeah. So you would probably be bored after this, but it's actually pretty good. Okay, let's turn the lights off and see if it actually glows in the dark. And I really like this poppet. So I'm gonna do some more online shopping later. So it's this Ariel drink bottle. It's really big, like stuff. There's Ariel, and yeah. Okay guys, I hope you like this video, and I really love my stuff I got. So, yeah. Bye.